Aishwarya Patnaik.
My name is Animesh Patnaik.
We wanted to share our situation. My father is in jail since 8 years and since 2017. My mother is doing bad things, involved in social medias, and started talking to men who just flirts and say bad. She even uses bad languages to us. As this urges towards flirting and sexual life increasing, she couldn't control herself but called many men to house for drinking alcohol and getting involved sexually. She locked the door, keeping us inside the bedroom, and didn't even open if we knocked the door for using the toilets. In 2018, the number of men increased. One of them who used to come daily, his name was Chandan Behra. I know some of the men's name. Some of them are Sangram, Dushmant, Priyam and Chandan Behra. She gave them alcohol and food instead of giving my tuition fee and school fee. Once I saw my mother and Chandan on sofa fully naked and doing bad. My mother used to torture us. Even Chandan said her to torture us. He is 8 years younger than my mother. Still my mother does everything what he says. They always close the door and keep us inside and do bad things outside and drink alcohol. Once my mother was out of control by drinking and she was senseless. Chandan Behra came to me and tied me up and tore my clothes, tried to kiss me and touch me in private parts. As the main door was open, my brother came from school and rescued me from that. And the next day, when I told all this to my mother, she said if I say something to anyone, she'll kill me. And said if he's gonna stay in a relationship with her, then I should have sex with him. Again, after some months, another man came. His name is Sangram. He works at a beer factory. He gave sleeping pills to my mother and tried to forcibly attempt rape me. He threw me on the bed, and when he tried to come up to me, I beat him with a bottle. She used to beat us so mercilessly after we all tell all this to her, and even we were bleeding, and she doesn't even take us to doctor. She doesn't even give us food 2 times a day. My little brother is only 14 and he cries a lot. When I informed all this to my father, he said to stop all these, and when we tried to stop all this, she beat us mercilessly. But when we told all this to our family, he said that he doesn't know anything and he also didn't support us. She tried to kill us once. She bet many times before, but she tried to kill us once in July 10th, 2021. Everyone is supporting her, and my uncle Sudhanshu Shekhar Patnaik tied me and my brother up and took us to village, and anyhow we escaped from the road. My auntie Rashmita Patnaik and her husband Manoj Kumar Pradhan, who is a criminal and was in jail for 8 years, they also tortured us a lot. When I asked them for medicines because I'm having gynecological problem, they denied to give me medicines and food to eat. Now I'm finally taking actions and telling the truth. Please take action against my mother and that Chandan Behra and Sangram, who tried to rape me, and my harassment case against my mother. We are not ready to stay with my mother in this house.
So please help us. We cannot stay in these conditions. So we are getting tortured here and we cannot live here anymore. If we live here now, they will kill us.